transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for Iris Crum. Iris is a 7-year-old biracial female, 5 feet, 0 inches tall, 80 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Iris was last on March 1, 2024 in the area of Blue Fox Trail in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Iris is possibly in the company of her non-custodial mother, Kayla Sarita. Sarita is a 30-year-old black female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Sarita is currently wanted by the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for custodial interference and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office in California for felony child abduction. If you have seen Iris or Sarita, or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office at 615